Hey, this is Monique. I'm gonna do one more project.
So for this project, we were gonna take a dress that loved the fabric, not so crazy about the dress. So my model asked me, can you make this dress into a skirt? And I said, really? Of course we can. Lucky for me, this dress had elastic shearing, so I was able to cut it to the height that we wanted it to be with just a little extra for a seam allowance. Only my seam allowance was not much because I wasn't actually hemming it on a traditional hem. I was using my serger and a rolled hem foot with 3 spools of thread to finish off that raw edge without having to fight it because it wasn't going to lay flat because of the elastic. Look at that. Perfect. When you get ready to pin the elastic in, pin it in the back, divide it in half, the elastic in half and the skirt in half, and that will give you the center front. Divide those in half again to get to the side, and that'll be fine. Now, when you get ready to sew on this elastic, be sure and change your needle to a needle for stretch, for something, a ballpoint needle. Don't use a regular needle on elastic because it will be a pain. It'll cause your bobbin thread to all bunch up. It'll just, you won't enjoy it. So be sure and change that needle for this project. Zigzag around the elastic with a long stitch. A little bit wide will be better too. Overlap where you started by an inch or so, and you will have an elastic waistband on the inside just to help keep the skirt from feeling like it's sliding down all the time. Ta-da! Was a dress, now a skirt. Happy model. Look at this. Doesn't she look lovely? 2 thumbs up. Thanks for joining me. I'm Monique at One Mo Project. Remember, God clothes the grass of the field, which is here today and tomorrow is thrown into the furnace. Won't He do so much more for you? See you next time. I said, really?
Of course we can.